Yeah, yan.
Yan ang naki-snake yan.
Yeah, ba? Yeah, ba?
Sorry for the interruption. Take your seat.
Trick lang niya.
So this is Leia, our reticulated python. Now pythons are the longest in the world and they grow up to 9 meters. Can see this figure in front of the stage? That's how long they can grow. And pythons are not aggressive and they are not venomous. So if you find one in the wild, just leave it alone and it'll get out of your way as quickly as it can. Now if you think this is just a dumb snake, think again. She has keen senses we humans can only dream of. For example, yeah, parang Ate Johnny? Right. And see how she keeps sticking her tongue out? Nalabas na yung tongue niya, right? That's because she can actually smell the air with her tongue. Kaya niyo ba yun? And she can sense heat from tiny holes on her upper lip. And see this beautiful pattern on her back? She uses this to blend perfectly with her environment, just like a tree branch over here. Okay, ito muna na yan. Oh. Ayan. And that's what you call camouflage. Now, most of you may be thinking, are snakes slippery and slimy? Are they?
Slippery.
Yes, no. Sabi ni Kuya, wala sa masagot eh. So parang di yan. Yes, Ate Johnny. Why don't we choose for a brave volunteer from the audience? Brave volunteer? Kuya, it looks like we already have one. Probably you. Thank you, Ate Johnny. Welcome to the show.
Sumawa ka na.
Joke lang. Tutulungan ka na lang namin, alright? O, para ma-overcome yung fear mo. So guys, for this afternoon, we're going to play a little game. Russell, we're going to present to you 3 items one at a time. And each of them, you're gonna give a good feel, right? And then after that, you tell us which one is the real snake. Madali lang, diba? Touch mo na yung item. Then Russell, okay lang ba na habang tinatouch mo yung mga items namin, nakapigil ka? Paano ba? Yung lasing test sa'yo, tapos mag-i-ibig. Paano lumilat ka? Well, just to make sure, syempre, prepared ako dyan. I have here a blindfold for you. Pero Russell, bago mo siya isuot, tabi muna tayo kay Kuya Billy. Alright?
Okay, kaya naman nagpinsa mo.
Sige Russell, pwede mo nang suot yung blindfold mo. So, the rules are simple. All you have to do, Russell, is to stick your left hand out, palm straight, so we could start the game. Just keep your palm straight all throughout the game, alright? Ready ka na ba? Okay, ready na daw siya. Items are ready? Alright, then let's start. Here comes item number 1. Okay, naulit daw. Special request. Alright, Russell, parang lower na. Okay, so guys, let me have our second item. Mukha naman naramdaman ni Russell yun, diba? Sige. And finally, our last item. Item number 3.
that, alright? Arm straight. Arm straight now, Russell. Come on. Okay. Russell, naramdaman mo ba siya? Okay, naramdaman daw niya. Sige, Russell, pwede mo na tanggalin na yung blindfold mo. Alright? So, now that you've gotten a good feel of our items, can you tell everybody which one was the real snake? Item number 1, number 2, or number 3?
Why?